Hello everyone, it's me Kishore Nirola and welcome to my network implementation demo for ABC Global. In this video, I will demonstrate how the network works in real time, including inter-VLAN routing, EtherChannel summary, RIP dynamic routing and DHCP, address allocation and also the access control list. Let's go through inter-VLAN routing is working properly in Melbourne network. For this, I will configure some commands in the switches of Melbourne. So I'll just go here in the switch of Melbourne and I will enable the switch. After this I will show the VLAN brief. So here you can see I have created two VLAN, that is VLAN 10 for IT and VLAN 20 for HR. Similarly I will configure the same command in the access switch of Melbourne. Here also you can see the same thing, 10 for the IT and 20 for the HR. After this I will show the EtherChannel summary for the switches that I have created. So here it's already enabled, so I will configure this command. So you can see here this confirms that the EtherChannel is working properly in this Melbourne network. For the more confirmation, I will ping this IT PC to HR PC and it should get successful whenever I send a packet from any PC. So I'll send a packet from PC IT to HR PC. So you can see here is success. So I will send again a packet back from HR to IT. To IT, you can see here it's successful. Now I will show you the routing is working properly in the network. For this I will go and check for the router. I will enable the router and I will configure you can see here I have created two VLAN, that's VLAN 10 and 20. You can see here the interface in the Melbourne router, so we can confirm that inter-VLAN routing is working. Moreover, I will configure this command. And my network is subnetted here. You can see this and this. It confirms that routing is working properly in Melbourne. Now after this I will go and check the DHCP IP address allocation for my PC in Sydney employees. I have created a DHCP pool range and my PC should get the DHCP IP address within that range. So I can show you my DHCP pool range here that I have highlighted, and whenever I add new PC I should get the IP address between this range. So let's go and try. I have already connected one PC here and that's PC5 in employees. So I'll just go here and it's already received the DHCP. You can see there it's between the DHCP pool range. Again I will try to add a new PC. So PC here. I'll just add one PC here. Okay. After this I will connect here. So whenever I assign the IP to the DHCP, it should get the DHCP IP automatically. It's requesting the IP. So it's being the DHCP is failed. I will try again. It may take a while. The second failed. I'll just keep trying until it receives DHCP. Yeah, it's DHCP request successful. You can see the message here. So I have received the IP address that between the pool range that I have assigned in the router. So after this, you can see here, whenever I ping a PC in the Melbourne that's connected with the VLAN 10, that's IT, to the packet, if I send to the server here, then it's getting successful. And even if I send a packet from HR to server in the Sydney, it's getting successful. Now whenever I configure in Sydney router access control list, then I should get access to only PCIT and other network except the PC that are connected with HR, that's VLAN 20. For this I will configure ACL in my Sydney router. You can see here, whenever I send a packet from both PC and HR, PC in IT to PC and PC in HR, they are both getting successful to the server in Sydney. You can see here, that's the source from the IT and source from HR to the server 0 in the Sydney. They are getting successful. Whenever I configure ACL, it should only get access to IT and deny to HR. For this I will go to the router in Sydney. After this I will enable so I have written the command here, access list 110 permit IP means it will permit the IP that I will allocate now. That's 10 is for my IT VLAN 10, and the host is now I will deny the HR and I will configure this. It's deny IP and it will deny the IP for HR, and that's the IP address for HR. And the host for this is why this command, because our goal is to just deny the access to HR. So this code will let the Sydney server to access any IP only except this HR. So I'll go and check. Whenever the Sydney receives the packet, it receives from this port, that is serial 000. So I'll just go here and check the interface. And I will let all to be in. So I have configured ACL successfully. Now I will just check if it's getting packet. If I send a packet from PCIT to server, it should be successful, and whenever I send packet from HR, it should deny. So just let me check. I'll just refresh once. Now I'll send a packet from PCIT to server. You can see here it's successful. Now if I send a packet from HR, it should get denied. From HR to server, it's failed. So we can confirm that our ACL is working properly I will just send again to confirm. So I will just send a packet from PCIIT to server. Here is successful. If I send a packet from HR to server, it's again failed. So you can say that our ACL is working properly, Inter-VLAN is working properly, EtherChannel is working properly, and the routing is working properly in the both network. So thank you for watching video.